Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more. Ready and say, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, happy birthday, Cloud. Alright, Cloud, before you send out Ate Sky, maraming sir, ano po ang birthday wish mo para kay Cloud? Let's start with Ate Sky. What's the birthday wish of your little brother?
Iyak na. Iyak na.
My birthday wish for Cloud is...
Okay, wish for Cloud. Sana less cry baby. At saka healthy lang kasi palikot na siya ngayon. So, guys, huwag masasaktan. And to grow mabait na baby.
Birthday wish ko. Ay, una muna, thank you sa lahat ng pumunta late kami. Layo kasi ng ano eh. Birthday wish ko sa'yo, Cosmos. Good health. And then, maging God-fearing ka, palagi. Kayo na lang ni ate. And then, you always be, thoughtful. Follow nanay, tatay, at guys. Wish ko kay Jollibee. Maligo ka. Ikaw, ha? Ayun. Saka, lumaki siya mabait. Ano sa nanay. Thank you.
Let's go, what's the birthday wish?
My birthday wish for Cloud is good health and don't always fall for girls, okay?
Alright, Sky, ako na now.
Guys, like, hello, beautiful.
Boom! Happy birthday, Cloud! Alright, Ma'am and Sir, kung kayo po ay nag-wish, ano wishes nyo na? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and then 4, 4, 4. Apat na kasi daliri mo sabi. Wala kang pang gumaaking. Oh, see? Apat lang yan. Oh, may chocolate yung pang... Ano yan? Gogo. Alright, yung 4 birthday wish to Cloud. First wish. To Cloud, to grow up, and to become what? Ano yan? To always focus. And macho. And maging ko. Tapos ma-ups like Daddy! And second wish. The Cloud to grow up and to become what? Hindi kakain sa kabila. Oh, charity ko. Hindi mo sa kanilang charity. And next, the Cloud to grow up and to become what? Hindi magsi-celebrate ang birthday doon. The Cloud to grow up and to become what? To always be happy, our best friend, Johnny!